good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all the attendees that we have on. My name is Ashu Tandon. I'm the Chief Commercial Officer for Syngene, and today I am joined by my esteemed colleague, Dr. Jayashree Aiyar, and is currently the Vice President and Head of our Discovery Biology unit. And currently, she's undertaking an activity or a whole set of activities that, while trying to put science to work, which is about managing and delivering on science in the age of coronavirus. What would you say has been some of the impact on clients' projects, and how have you been managing that?
I think one of the first things that we did was we got on a call with each one of them and basically managed the expectations. Since most of our clientele is in the US and Europe, most of those labs are shut down right now, right? And therefore, they are actually counting on us more so than ever before. We have identified critical projects for our clients, are coming into work, adapting all the safety precautions, and they are continuing to deliver for our clients. What we have done at Syngene is keeping the safety of the employees as highest priority. Syngene itself has adopted a very good system. There's a temperature check as a primary screen, and then they are given masks on at the gate.
Talk to me a little bit about the kind of things that you're getting your team to do from home.
So some of the things that we typically do at work, for instance, data analysis, report writing, and the electronic lab notebook writing, and so on. Now we realize that some of that work can be done from home. The second thing that we are doing is with the skeletal staff that is coming in, further the other scientists' experiments in the lab.
Give us your perspective of what do you think are sort of the key parameters that leadership should demonstrate in these trying and difficult times.
One of the big hallmarks of a leader is how to manage crisis, instill a sense of calm and not create panic among our team members, so that the team feels motivated and empowered to do the work that they are doing currently.
Can you tell us a little bit about what Syngene is doing in this space, immunity, diagnostics, prevention perspective?
Considering that we have a very strong molecular biology group within my department, we are trying to put together components of the PCR reagents. And we are also working towards, since we have a very strong antibody discovery group. And finally, we are also working towards some vaccine ideas. Since we have both discovery, development, and manufacturing capabilities at Syngene, we can take it all the way to manufacturing, again, to give back to the community.
Your view is on the vaccines that are currently publicly announced, and when do you think we'll start seeing mass production?
The earliest we are seeing is early next year is probably when we will have these things. The business is coming our way. We are not making any extra effort because of the COVID situation. And believe me, I think 90% of the questions that are coming to us are COVID related. So yes, I mean, it is a good opportunity, but really at Syngene, we are not looking at it from a commercial angle. We're looking at it primarily from how can we help solve this problem. Taking a backseat at all. In fact, we are working on client projects. We have a lot of things we are doing on cancer, on metabolic disorders, neuroscience, cardiovascular. So we are progressing those projects as well.
Questions we could not answer. And for those who have additional questions, please send your emails to team.syngene@syngeneintl.com. So once again, thank you very much. Thank you so much for the audience.